Good, Justin. What's good, Chris? Good, Nomar. What's good, Jackie? Good morning. What's good, Zad? Zads? Uh, is that your name for real? What's good? What's going on, man? Good morning. Good morning. This was yesterday's tray here. Um, good morning. Good morning. All right, let's delete this. This was yesterday's trade, bruh. We really caught here the beginning, the beginning of what was a massive, massive push, bro. Hey man, profits were secure. Daily goal was achieved. I ain't mad at it, man. I'm not mad at it, man. I am not mad at it, man. Yo's good, Daniel. One of these days, I had a feeling that was gonna happen. One of these days, when I get that feeling again, I'm gonna just stay here for as long as that stream is and just catch a retarded trade like with you guys. Fucking. All right. So looking at US 30, man, we completely disregard this. We could keep this here because obviously we use that area here. Um, we created a little small support over here, right there, right? That's the small support we used yesterday, I believe, to know that price is going to continue going to the upside. So you guys remember that channel that I was talking about on the breakdown I did on Monday in our 7 p.m. class? Look at how price now it's back into this bullish whole trend over here. So I kind of delete this over here as well. Boom. Right. Keep this here. I kind of delete this from here as well, just to not have so much clutter going on. All right. So that's all necessary. All right, cool. Now, looking at US 30, man, we created new all-time highs. So we just created new all-time highs at 47,180. So we got new all-time highs on US 30. Price from those new all-time highs, did a little retracement here, a little retracement there, a little back down over here. Now we're kind of like in this little range, little area here, we could say, right? So let's see what this area is saying. Let's go here on a smaller time frame. Let's see what we could see here. Okay. All right. Let's grab this bots here. Let's put this bots all throughout here. Boom. Right. So we got this area coming in here on this 5 minute time frame. The price has been using as a support. So notice how we touched this area first, bounced back from it, touched it again, bounced back from it, created some type of resistance up here. Right. Boom. So let's figure that out. Right. Then from there, price dropped. So notice how the trend here now. Right. We came back up here, did a little drop, retest, drop, right? Kind of like an M formation. You see the left side, the down part, right? Same rejection at the same area. And once we broke this neckline here, so that neckline, I am going to follow that neckline, right? So I'm going to grab here, let's say even this little tool, right? And let's actually grab a bots. I like the bots in the smaller time frames, right? And we kind of figure out this whole area here. So notice how price, tapped into this little area here, created that M formation here, right? So boom, 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 right? The moment we broke down from that neckline, price did a little retest, and now we boom came back down here, came back, retested that neckline, rejected again, but also rejected this support. We're back at the neckline right now, another rejection currently. So if price keeps rejecting this neckline, if we remain rejecting it like how we are right now, I will be looking to take another sell here. Probably potentially, take a sell for price to, come back down into this 46,800 area, which is this area that I think we took buys yesterday from. I think we took yesterday, what, 820 buys, if I'm not mistaken, 830 buys. Um, so definitely could see, price come back down here if we do start, respecting this area and coming back down here. All right. So definitely open to some sells here. Again, just understanding that we are, oh, oops. Okay, there we go. We are still in a bullish market, so I'm not getting rid of buys fully, but I do understand, sells also do have a possibility of happening here. So, boom. Okay, let's go here. Oops, sorry. Oops, oops. All right, so now price is kind of trapped within this area. I will be looking to take some buys um above this little area here. So long. So probably around that 45, 47,000, 47,000. That sounds crazy to say, bro. I've been long in this shit since like the low 40,000s, bro. That's insane. Anyways, I will be probably looking to take buys kind of like above this area. So probably around that 02. So I'm going to wait for some confirmation. What the, I don't know. What the hell is going on here? Leverage, what are you on? I don't know. Bone entry price 47.02. Profit price, we're gonna do, let's say 120. 02 puts me at 970. So nice little 1 to 2 here, right? Now, that's my buy scenario. Now, sell scenario, right? Two ways I could go about this. I could either be very patient, wait for price to finally break below this support, which is kind of like what I'm leaning towards, honestly, especially since we are already under that 47,000 area. So we are already trading around that 46,970. So definitely, I don't mind waiting until that 920. So you know what? I am going to actually be patient and wait. There's no need to, we have a perfect week so far. There's no need to be risking it for the biscuit, right? So 920. We're going to go 820 here. I'm going to go 970 there. So that gives me a nice, beautiful 1 to 2 as well here on a sell scenario. So let me just put these alarms. 46. What did I just say? 920. Yeah. And then I said 47.02. Boom. All right. So that gives me nice, beautiful buys right above, these highs. So got confirmation, got beautiful sells as well below the support that we have rejected once, twice, three, 4 times. So 4 times we've been rejecting this area. So, if we do start, if we hit this entries, because clearly we have broken all these lows. So we have clearly broken, that same area that we keep respecting. So I'll gladly look to take some sells there. As well, I could see how in here we do have a little M formation going on. So kind of like here, right here again. So if we do break this neckline, it's the neckline right here. If we do break this neckline, I could expect price to, be a little bit more on the bearish side, and definitely come back down into this 800s area. So definitely looking good on that sell scenario there. Buy scenario, I like it. I don't know how I feel about the 1 to 2 though. I definitely will be careful with this previous all-time high area. So that 100s area, because we did respect that area for quite some time. So but yeah, let's see here what we got going on. Let's put these entries in. What is this? 46,962, 46,920. So we got about 40-point spread. Okay. Got about a 40-point spread here. Well, they're saying 920, right? 920. Boom. Nice. Sell stop in place. Buy stop, I got 02. Boom. All right. So buy stop in place. Sell stop in place. And we're pretty much ready to rock at this point. For sure. All right, cool. Pretty much, let me just put here an alarm at a 1 to 1. Any of these, let me just take it on the sell just to have it ready. 46, 870. Boom. Gives me that 1 to 1 there. Definitely, these cells definitely could be a beautiful 1 to more than a 1 to 2. Honestly, I really think these cells could really be like easily probably like a 1 to 3, like on some quick shit too. But look, we got clean traffic. This is clean. Like, there's no like intervention here. Like by the time if we do come into this area here, we should. Now this is clean traffic all the way down to this area of support, which is even deeper than our 1 to 2 here. So if the cells are a thing, we should definitely be seeing, some new lows get hit for sure there. But let's see. Don't want to get too ahead of myself. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, now we just play kind of like the waiting game, right? Yo's good name. No, it looks like it's making another M. Yeah, that's what I was saying here. Same thing that happened back over here. So same thing that happened back over here. You have this little then the moment that neckline gets broken, come down here. Let's say we have another M going on here. This neckline gets broken, we should definitely have another drop. Even if it's, past that 1 to 1, 1 to 1.5, I'll probably take it there as well. I don't care. I compound my bread, dog. I don't give a crap. I was having this conversation yesterday. Oh, I know my students actually. What about taking the buys a few pips higher? I mean, if you want to, you could, Again, these live streams, bro, they're not signals, bro. I don't want you to take my trades. I want you to understand why I'm taking the trade, and then you go and apply those same principles of why onto whatever it is that you trade. You know, if you trade Euro USD, go apply to Euro. You trade Nasdaq, you go put it in Nasdaq. You know, I don't do these live streams as a signals chat. If any of you guys in here for that, you're cooked. Mm-mm. I am not gonna make you a millionaire. Knowledge will, my knowledge will, but it takes for you to grab it and apply it. But just following my trades, it's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. Now, if you grab all the shit that I say throughout these 40, 50 minutes that I be talking here every day, and now you grab it, listen to it, apply it, then you'll actually become, successful in trading. But just following my trades around, you're not. I'll tell you straight up. I'll save you the time. You're not. It's not happening. Waiting on that 4705 rejection. 4705, 4705. Right here. Let's see, bro. Let's see. Look, market just opened. Let's see. Let's see what we got going on here. I hate these market open candles like that, bro. Those candles are so annoying, bro. Those be the candles that start off crazy. They'll come all the way over here and then whoop. Before you know it, that shit flip. Watch. Look, 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 look. Now this shit randomly gonna be bullish on us. I hate those market open. I like market open candles like the ones from yesterday. I was chilling. It was like a good market open candle. All right, cool. This is good. But when they're like this, bro, fuck. Mhm. Let me put this alarm. Hopefully it doesn't. I mean, it doesn't matter if it takes it off, but just to have it there. I'm not in the trade, by the way. I just put the alarm there just so that way, if this does put me in, I don't have to like put it in. It's kind of like there already. Oh, oh, it's almost there. It's almost there. No, not quite there. Wow, it's almost there. Come on, come on. Okay, now it put me in. Oh, there you go. The top of here too. Okay. Yeah, I hate these market open candles like this. I despise these candles, bro. You don't understand. These candles fucking piss me off, bro. Because they're so volatile. And if it was that like they stay that volatile the whole time, I'm chilling. All right, for sure. Bring it on. Okay, yeah, you could bring that on all the way over here now. Come on now. No, don't be playing now, twin. Here we go. Come on. We up a little quick now. 1200, 1300, 1400, 16, 17. Okay, what we got going on here? I thought that shit was going. Come on, twin. Slide through here. With the volume this candle has, if it smacks through here now, I'll probably take it. Because I know that next candle will probably come for a retest. I ain't trying to deal with that shit. Come on. You see, CeeLo, this is what I hate about those candles. Look at that volume, dog. Why are you up here? You should be down here, buddy. How the fuck I go from up 1600 to now I'm not down $100? Goofy ass candle. Fuck. Oh, we back. 300, 300. We got about gas money right now. Oh shit. Down 500 now. There it is. God damn it. I could definitely see like why some people are scared of trading, dog. Like it really takes a psychotic mind to literally just look at your money, just go up and down and like just I don't know, just be normal about it. I could definitely see why people get intimidated by it for sure. I feel like when I first started this, I wasn't that intimidated by that because I've always done like sports betting and shit. I know it's a crazy comparison, but like, dog, I start I for my peoples out here that New York, Jersey, or wherever you from, I'm pretty sure y'all know about them bookies. I know what a bookie is, no? I mean, probably people overseas that are in here don't know what a bookie is. But long story short, a bookie is okay. I'm up 1,500. Come on, yo, slap through here, twin. Come on. What are you on? Come on. We up 15, 16, 16, 17. Come on, bro. Come on. But yeah, for the people that know what a book is, so that don't know what a book is. So a book is pretty much like, mm, uh, it's a person that is usually in like corner stores. I don't know if you guys know what corner stores are. Hopefully, like little mini markets maybe, and they have like a little machine in which you go and tell them like, hey, I like this team, that team, blah blah blah, yada yada. And then you give them the cash, they put in the bet for you, and then they give you a slip, like kind of like how the casino gives you like a slip with your, your bet. Um, so bro, I've been doing that since I was like, bro, I started working at corner stores at like 13, and every corner store has a bookie. So since that age, I've been like risking money to make money because that's what sports betting is. You risk money to make money, you know? So like I guess when I started trading, I was kind of used to the concept of money fluctuating, but I could see how somebody that's never done that could be intimidated because it is quite a pill to swallow. Look, I'm up 20, 200. Okay. Come on. I'm gonna take my 1-to-1 today, bro. This volume is pissing me off. Come on. Please smack through my 1-to-1, twin. Come on. There we go. And I closed. Boom. I just closed. And watch. I said I just closed. And watch how this one candle is gonna slide through this 1-to-2, brother. Okay, we closed though. Nice little $2,500 day for sure. I'll take it, man. Now this week we've been on a heater, yo, for sure. Up about like, no lie, probably like 7,000 already for the week. So looking good. If we have a $10,000 week, I'll be chilling. I'll take that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nice little 1-to-1 and 1.1. I'm compounding on these week's profits, yo. I don't give a fuck. Give me my money. I don't care what you do now. Shit. Straight up. Too many people get married to the idea of catching this gigantic move. I don't give a fuck. I want to get paid, son. You got bills to pay. Shit. You know what I'm saying? I was having this conversation yesterday with somebody that hit me up. They like, bro, bro, I be catching similar. I don't even think he's in here because he like the way he spoke was like, oh, bro, I be catching the same trades as you, bro. But like, bro, I'm too greedy. I hold them too long, and then I turn winners into losers. I'm like, nigga. So if you know what you're doing wrong, why you keep doing it? Like, what you want me to do? Give you a little spanking? I'm not your dad. Like, if you know you like, bro, take the money. Like, people are so, bro, like people are so like obsessed with catching a move that goes from here all the way to down here because their ego. Yeah, look at this fat ass move. I don't give a fuck. I care about when my $10,000 rent's due. I got the money to pay it, no problem. When my car payments due, I pay that bitch, no problem. You know what I'm saying? Like that's what I care about. I don't care about this ego movie. I don't give a shit. Give my money, bro. Give my money. See you later. I don't give a fuck about none of that other shit, man. Too many people get married to that, bro. It's like a social media like freaking ego thing. Man, I don't care, bro. Get me my money. I'll see you later. Shit. See? $2,500 a day. Keep the 9 to 5 away, baby. I love y'all. Thank y'all for coming and listening to my shenanigans here. W or what? W or what, man? What we doing? W or what? Easy W's? But shout W W W W. Okay, 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 okay. We're gonna change LT to W University. Imagine. That'd be crazy. No, I'm not doing that one. Sorry, nah. I love you all. Thank you guys for coming on here today. It's Wednesday, my OT students. I see you later at 7 p.m. And yeah, love you all. Peace.